Alright, so we're getting the pucks wet. Wet pucks. That's good. There you go. Yeah, about that much in each one for now. But anyway, yeah. I don't need to talk, but I can't help myself. Cocoa fiber seed pellets. Expando version. Remember those cool little like fireworks worms you had as a kid? Mm-hmm. Those little gray things.
Yeah.
You light one end and they turn into big old gray worms.
The sulfur poops is what I used to call them.
These are like that, but without fire, and
sulfur.
They're more like a short man's penis. Or a short penis on a tall man.
Built like a tuna can.
Yeah, it's like a tuna can. There you go. But this is the initial watering because we have to get them wet to expand them. So. And that's Blake watering, but we're not showing any faces right now because we're unkempt. Perfect! Okay, bye. Hey guys. So today we're gonna get the outdoor garden going. Well, not just outdoor, but we're gonna plant some seeds. And it's the way I like to do it. Just takes all the guesswork out of it. I use these peat pucks, and they're expandable. You get them wet, and they turn into these, and then they have that nice convenient little hole in them. And you just take your seeds and drop them in the hole. And make sure they stay moist and warm until they germinate. It's a pretty simple process. We've got some things to plant here. We got some brandywine tomatoes, some cucumbers, some jalapenos. Gonna start some morning glory and spread that around the yard. We got some Genovese basil and some crimson sweet watermelon. That's gonna be really cool. Haven't grown watermelon here before. I'm dying to see it. And then we have some mystery seeds that my friend gave me. And I'm not sure what they are, or if they're going to germinate, or what the deal with them is, but we're going to throw some of those in here too. They're flowers, so I'm not quite sure what they're going to look like or anything, but we're going to give them a shot. But I got to do this one-handed. It's going to be interesting, but I've got these seven. These are just the saucers in the bottom of plastic pots, right? So really simple. And yeah, so we got 7 of them here, and each one has 9 pucks. So we got some planting to do, and I want to start with the tomatoes here. I'm probably just gonna do one of these rings just to show you. I mean, it's really simple. These tomato seeds are really small too, so I'm gonna do 2 in each thing. So just take them and I just drop them in, just like that. Just drop them in. Take a couple of them. It's hard to grab them. And put 2 in there. It's been a while since I've done any filming, you guys, so please bear with me. And yeah, so what we're gonna do this year, we don't have a garden built in the backyard, but I do have a ton of fabric pots. So we're gonna do a container garden to start with, and yeah, it's be pretty nice. I've got some soil going, some homemade soil like I usually do, and we're going to grow vegetables with it this time. We're not just going to do them outside, we're going to do them inside as well, because the grow room is just about ready. And if you want to see an update on that, we're about to put one up on YouTube, so you guys should go check out the Green Ninja channel. And if you're looking for updates on the indoor grow room, that's where you're going to find them. All the other gardening stuff will be on this channel. The vegetables, the outdoor gardening, all that stuff will be on this channel. Alright, so tomatoes are planted. Simple process. We want to close these holes up a little bit if we can, but it's really not that big of a deal. You know, just give them a squeeze. Oops. I got some seeds coming out of there or something. I think they popped out. I just had them on my fingers. Who knows? Can you tell what that is? I'm going to put another one in there just to be safe. just to be safe. All right, and you don't really need to close these up because I'm going to put these in a nice warm spot. You know, I've probably got these upside down now that I'm thinking about it. You'd think the hole would be a convenient thing, but it's kind of feeling like it's not, and then I should just be digging a hole in the back side of them. That's originally why I got this cool tool, this wooden stick thing with a pointy end. You know, pencil would work too. We're just gonna close these up, and I may even do another flat of tomatoes here in the future, but we'll see. And then it's a really simple thing. I just take them and we'll walk over here and we just put them right up on top of the refrigerator here. I got other plants up here and it's warm, no direct sunlight, and it's a perfect spot for those to sit and germinate. Alright, so pretty simple. I'm going to get back to it, and like I said before, we're going to do all kinds of new videos, man. You guys, and we also got a Patreon page, and I'll put the link in the description below. And we're going to keep rolling forward, man, because we don't want to just grow cannabis anymore. So we're going to do this, and we're going to see how it goes. And well, I know how the vegetables are going to go because I've grown vegetables many times in the past, but we'll see how the channel does. And don't worry, the cannabis content will still be here. We're still going to keep rolling forward with that, and I can't wait to show off the new grow room. So please, like I said before, make sure you check out Green Ninja's cannabis channel as well as our outdoor gardening channel. And again, thanks for still being around, sticking with us, and please stay tuned for a lot more content to come. Oh, and if you like this video, like it, and please subscribe for more stuff. Peace.